Is NCERT enough for NEET preparation? This is the important question from every aspirant point of view at this point of time, because you got a very shortage of time, right? And a proper explanation or proper answer for this question will save you many time and give you more marks. So before jumping into the video, welcome to my channel Inspiring Brains. This is Hari, completed physiotherapy, currently doing 3rd year MBBS and an unacademy educator. So the study says that nearly 85 to 90% of the questions are from NCERT. Tough to believe, but this is the actual bitter truth. So we'll go in a subject point of view. First we'll take biology. So from every year, 80 to 85 questions sometimes is from the NCERT itself. The thing is, everybody fails because they don't know how to study the NCERT. So you have to study each and every line and you have to make a question from the line so that you won't be forgetting. It's not that studying the important from the book itself. So you have to make a question from every line so that you will easily clear 85% of the questions. It's very easy, right? This is for biology. So for in this point of time, in this very shortage of time, just go with the NCERT. That's more than enough. Next we'll go for chemistry. So chemistry is again divided into physical, organic, inorganic, right? So every year nearly 40 questions, 35 to 40 is from the NCERT or it is relevant to the NCERT. So we'll go from the each separate ways. Like we'll start with the organic. For organic, first you should understand the basics. Second, you have to make a sheet of equations or the reactions of every possible way in a paper so that you can revise often. And the third important thing is do the first two things correctly so that you will be giving or you will be getting all the marks or all the ones correct. So this is for organic. It's very simple. When you go with inorganic, it's directly from the NCERT. So you have to study NCERT as much as you can, right? Daily just study one inorganic chapter from the chemistry. It will surely fetch you marks and mark all the important questions. Like when you handle the questions, you will understand how the questions are framed from the inorganic chapters. So write those things in your book, write those things in the materials which you are studying for organic as well as inorganic. And finally going with physical. So as like physics, it is not that much tough. It's very easy. First understand the concept, because there will be direct question from the concepts or direct questions from the theory itself in the physical chemistry point of view. And there are some numericals which you can work from first the examples, then the exercise sums, and slowly progress to previous year questions. That's more than enough. Chemistry, you can easily score the correct ones for at least 40 to 41 or 42 questions. You can easily score. Alright, and finally we'll go to the physics, the question of the day or the question of the year. Everything is physics. So for physics, again the students are going to ask whether to study NCERT or whether to study any institute materials or anything. The first important answer is you should study the NCERT to understand the basics, because in physics formulas alone will not fetch you any marks. Understanding the concept along with the formula will help you to solve any sort of questions, right? So understand it very properly. But at this point of time, at this shortage of time, there is no time to read the entire NCERT and take some points and wrote all the formulas. It's utterly waste. So what I'll personally tell is, first go with biology, then chemistry. If you completed all these things in a very short time, then you have to move to physics. So for this shortage of time, go with some formulas or the important chapters which you know, which you already know, which you already practiced in the 11th or 12th, which you feel some affinity. Take those chapters, read well, because those chapters will give you direct marks. And many students, what they will do is they will try to attend all the questions, or they will try to know all the formulas, they try to solve everything, and they will end up in negative marks. So don't do this. First go with biology, then go with chemistry, and if you have time, then go with physics. And in that physics, first go with the chapters that you know very well. Then you can move on to the chapters that you know somewhat, you know the concepts. Finally, that doesn't happen. If you have time, then go with the chapters that you doesn't know. and go with the chapters based on the formulas, right? These are all the important ways by which you can make the NCERT as your prime book for your preparation, right? Thank you. And if you want to explain anything regarding your preparations or regarding any books or regarding the shortage of time or regarding the memorizing things in the books, just put it in the comment box below. We'll discuss in the next video. And please spare few seconds in subscribing this channel for more updates.